Hey, what's up guys? Sitting cross-legged. So if I just move my knee up an inch, you can see my knee. Today I'm doing something for the first time. I'm gonna give away a free LUT. And I feel like a total nerd doing this because you're probably like, no, what's your LUT, Danny? But if you do want my LUT, I'm giving it away for free. Just to celebrate you guys. I thank everyone for subscribing. There's been a good amount of you lately and it's awesome to see. It's cool that I'm not just posting for like 3 people now and that there's like thousands of people who are watching my videos, and it's pretty awesome. Just to be transparent, this is a LUT that like I use a lot of the times. I always put it on my videos, but you can't just like take your footage and put this LUT on your footage. You have to color correct your footage first. And by color correcting, I mean making sure exposure is proper, make sure your white balance is proper, and then do the little things that you need to do and put this on last. Don't just like slap this LUT on. And also once you do put this LUT on, it's not gonna be perfect for every single clip. Every single clip has different exposure values, has different subject matter, has different colors within it. So this LUT isn't just like, you can't just slap it on. Your videos are gonna look awesome like mine. Just kidding, they don't look that awesome, but I think they look good. I think some of you think they look good too, which is why you watch. But yeah, you can't just slap this LUT on and just call it a day because you're gonna be like, wow, he gave us a crappy LUT. This is just something to put on at the end, just to give your color a little more punch. You know what I mean? So yeah, go to the link in the description below and click it to get the free download. I actually don't know how I'm doing this yet. I'm gonna figure it out after I record this video. So hopefully I'll have some kind of link or something in the description below. And I feel like I'm gonna have it so you can donate like $1 or something if you want. So if you just wanna like support me and help me make these videos going forward and help me give away more free stuff that you probably don't give a crap about, feel free, or just feel free to just take it for free and run. Again, thank you for everyone for just watching these videos. It means a lot to me. So I love you guys. See ya.